Spotsylvania County. I'm Gary Clark, two-time Super Bowl champion, NFL legend of the Washington Redskins, here to explain to you about safety. When I played the game of football, my helmet was the most crucial part. I had to put it on, and I definitely had to buckle up. You know, I'm a good-looking guy, so I wanted to make sure I didn't get hurt without buckling up my helmet for safety. No matter how long it takes, make sure you buckle it in. And now I'm ready. I'm ready to go out there and play the game that I love without worrying about my health. No matter if I'm buckling up for football or buckling up to drive my car, you have to always buckle up for safety. It's really easy to do. Buckle up, Spotsylvania. It's the right thing to do.